In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block channels on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then go to the video or channel that you want to block. So maybe on your home feed. And all you need to do is click on these three dots on the right hand side. You should have two options at the bottom. You have not interested and don't recommend channel. So what you want to do is select don't recommend channel. You can also pick not interested as well, because it will stop showing similar videos to that as well. So you can do that as one option. And another option as well, if you find a channel that you don't want to see anymore, click on their profile icon, and you should see three dots on the top right hand side. And you should be able to click on hide user from my channel. So just click on that, and I'll just let you know hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. And all you have to do is click on hide user, and that will block the channel. Thanks for watching.